nice to see you. It's been a long time. You're just as lovely as you used to be. How's your new love? Are you happy? Hope you're doing fine. Just to know this means so much to me. What's that, darling? How am I doing? Guess I'm doing alright, except I can't sleep and I cry all night till dawn. What I'm trying to say is I love you and I miss you, and I'm so sorry that I did you wrong. Look up, darling, let me kiss you, just for old time's sake. Let me hold you in my arms one more time. Thank you, darling, may God bless you, and may each step you take bring you closer to the things you seek to find. Goodbye, darling, I've gotta go now. I've gotta try to find a way to lose these memories of a love so warm and true. And if you should ever find it in your heart to forgive me, come back, darling, I'll be waiting for you.
Then one day he left me, and I couldn't follow, alone with blue violets and roses of red. Blue are the violets and red are the roses, and warm were his kisses like sunshine in May. Blue are the violets and red are the roses, but black was that cold wind that took him away. The violets and roses around still are growing, all tumbled together, surrounding the shack. But over the meadow, that cold wind still blowing, and roses and violets will not bring him back. Blue are the violets and red
You're perfect just the way you are. I wouldn't change you if I could.
Smile, I'd leave them as they are, and come what may, I'd never change a thing. And if I wear a potter and you a piece of clay, the only thing I'd change would be your name. I wouldn't change I love you as you are. You're all that I could wish for if I wished upon a star. An angel sent from heaven, yes, you're everything that's good. You're perfect.